train station. The original train that I took from South Harrow, it terminates here. So now I have the option of actually taking two different services, either the Piccadilly line and or the Metropolitan line. So whichever train comes first, that's the one I'm going to jump on and head on to Uxbridge. Alright, so we are finally made it in Uxbridge Town Centre. Weather kind of is gloomy today, but the temperature is really nice. Somewhere in the region of about 10 or 11, which translates to about 50, 52 Fahrenheit. So right now I'm going to go take care of my parched throat, and I'm going to head into Costa's and get me a nice vanilla latte. A medium vanilla latte.
Sitting and takeaway?
Sitting.
Yeah.
And there you have it. Uxbridge is a historic market town in Middlesex, now Greater London. Evolved from a 1328 settlement into a key 19th century trade centre known for flour milling and commerce. Originally linked to a 7th century Saxon group, the town features medieval roots, with St Margaret's Church being the oldest building. It served as a royalist base during the English Civil War, hosted early industrial breweries, and transformed in the 20th century into a modern commercial hub with shopping centres like the Chimes. The Chimes is a prominent shopping mall located in Uxbridge within the London Borough of Hillingdon. It offers over 70 stores, a variety of food outlets such as McDonald's, Nando's, Starbucks, Wingstop, various cafés, an Odeon multi-screen cinema including IMAX, a Hollywood bowling alley, and extensive parking with over 1,600 spaces. Great place to go out on a Saturday afternoon. This building structure is known as Market House. Present Market House in High Street was built in 1788 through 89 to replace an earlier one thought to have been constructed in 1513. Originally built to store corn, the building was also used for community activities. Today, this area basically has small little coffee shops and international sweets and delicacies. St Margaret's Church, located on Windsor Street in Uxbridge, is the town's oldest building, with origins dating back to the Middle Ages, circa 1245, and the oldest remaining sections, specifically the North Tower, dating from the late 14th century. It became the primary church for Uxbridge from the 1800s and is a Grade II listed building still in use today. While often associated with the 14th century, the site may have seen religious use earlier, serving as a focal point in the town's history. It's a shame that people don't have any respect for old history and will just leave a shopping cart and some garbage bags sitting on the side. Windsor Street in Uxbridge is a historic thoroughfare intersecting with the High Street where a medieval market was established in the 12th century. It was formerly known as Catherine Wheel Row, anchored by the Catherine Wheel Inn, and historically served as a key area for local trade and commerce. Although significant redevelopments in the 1970s removed much of its original older character for modern road expansion. Windsor Street meets the High Street at a historic corner, which has been a hub for trade since the 12th century. The Uxbridge Peace Memorial, also known as the Uxbridge War Memorial, is located at the old graveyard on Windsor Street in Uxbridge. The memorial, which features a bronze angel sculpture, commemorates the brave men and women of Uxbridge who served or made the ultimate sacrifice in the First and Second World Wars. So I have arrived at the Queen's Head pub here in Uxbridge. It's a really old pub, almost 1,000 years, based on the mural outside. That's what it says, but it also says that it's probably older than that. So it's real historic, and it really does have an amazing ambience of, you know, when it was back in the day, and you could just imagine how people would live and how people would be walking into this place and stuff. And so it's really, really nice. I'm having lunch here, and today I'm actually meeting a very, very close friend of mine from England, from London. And so she's decided to meet me out here and have lunch, and we can enjoy the ambience of this place and have a little bit of a chat on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and introduce you to her. And there she is, Yvonne.
Hi everybody.
So she's joining me here for lunch today so that we can basically check the food out here and test it and give our little 2 cents worth on it. I have eaten here in the past and I love the food here, so it's going to be biased altogether. Alright, so what am I getting?
What are you going to have in your
No,
pie?
I'm going to get everything I always get, innit? So
what are you getting?
steak and ale.
Yeah, but you're going to have... So you're going to have mushy peas. You're going to have it with mash or with thick cut chips?
No. And a mash now. Come on.
No. Last time you had it with chips.
Didn't like it. Yeah, some mashed potatoes with it. You can't change the norm. You can't change the narrative. So I'll have fish and chips with French fries. No, I'll just take that.
Bit of ranch dressing on the side.
Yeah. Before we even tuck into it, wait a minute, that looks really bloody good though. Delicious.
Look at you eating all American. With a fork.
It's the only one I know.
It's the only way you know. You were never taught how to eat with a knife and fork. Have you finished eating?
Yeah, I have, thanks.
How was the food?
Food was brilliant,
Lovely.
absolutely delicious. It was well worth the wait.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, appreciate it.
Delicious.
Pie was outstanding. Yeah. Really good.
The crust to die for. Yeah, so all in all.
Proper pie.
Absolutely brilliant. But yeah, I think once again, 3 out of 3. Third visit, and 3 out of 3 times. We've always got great food.
It's true.
The last time I was out here, I had pie and chips, and it really didn't go down too well.
Gravy and chips.
Yeah, it just doesn't work. But with the mashed potatoes, just finishes it off.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, it has to be mashed and gravy.
Great. Now, for your second side,
I don't have a problem now tomorrow, you know what?
and the pies, but then
I got to do it.
we are prepared now.
With very full tummies.
Absolutely stuffed. But
I'll be
it was
late.
worth it.
Yeah,
Alright.
certainly was.
Later.
Just want to thank you for an amazing day. It's been so lovely spending time with you, eating pie and filming and just yeah, hanging out. So just wanted to leave you this surprise message.
So we are finally in Uxbridge. It's a real, oh, you know what I did? I fucked up. Yep, I fucked up. Okay.
What?
Catch me getting on.
Yeah, but you're not moving.
No, get on the train.
Oh, you didn't tell me that. You're not getting on the train now. You didn't say get on the train. I was going to watch you get on the train from here.